Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you don't have to waste your precious time or hard-earned cash on buyer's remorse. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we have the iRobot Roomba J7, and on the right, the Roborock Q Revo. Who will suck more? Let's find out. Alright, let's start with the price. The Roomba J7 comes in at $599, which is like buying a mid-range phone. Meanwhile, the Roborock Q Revo is priced at a hefty $899. That's more expensive than some people's rent. So if you're looking to save some bucks, Roomba J7 has got your back. Next up, let's talk about mapping and navigation. The Roomba J7 boasts Imprint Smart Mapping, which lets you control and schedule which rooms to clean and when. Plus, it can store multiple maps, making it perfect for multi-level homes. It's like having a tiny, obedient butler. Reviewers love how it efficiently navigates through different rooms and avoids obstacles effectively. Now, Roborock Q Revo takes it up a notch with its PresaSense LiDAR navigation and 3D mapping technology. It can detect and avoid obstacles with total precision. You can even add virtual furniture to its map. It's like having a robot with a PhD in floor plans. Reviewers praise its precise navigation and the ability to avoid pet waste and other obstacles. Let's get into the nitty-gritty cleaning features. Roomba J7 is all about convenience. It won't get hung up on furniture and has cliff detect to avoid stairs. Plus, it can start cleaning automatically when you leave and stop when you come home. It's like a ninja maid. Reviewers appreciate its ability to handle pet hair and provide pictures of its cleaning path, although some have mentioned it fills up quickly due to pet hair. Roborock Q Revo, on the other hand, is like the Swiss Army knife of vacuums. It has dual spinning mops for those stubborn stains, 30 water flow levels, and auto mop lifting for seamless transition from floors to carpets. And don't forget the 5,500 pascals extreme suction. This thing could probably vacuum up your soul if it tried. Reviewers highlight its powerful suction and effective mopping capabilities, though some initial issues were resolved with firmware updates. Now, let's talk maintenance. Roomba J7 is pretty low maintenance. It avoids obstacles and can be set to clean when you're not home. But let's be honest, it's not doing your laundry or making your bed. Reviewers have noted its ease of use and responsive customer service, though some have had issues with the software. Roborock Q Revo, however, has a multifunctional dock that washes its mops, dries them with hot air, and even empties itself. It's like having a tiny, obsessive-compulsive roommate. You get hands-free cleaning for up to 7 weeks. That's practically a vacation from chores. Reviewers love the minimal maintenance required and the efficiency of the multifunctional dock. Overall, reviewers find the iRobot Roomba J7 to be efficient, convenient, and reliable, especially for handling pet hair and avoiding obstacles. However, some have experienced software issues. On the other hand, the Roborock Q Revo is praised for its advanced navigation, powerful suction, and minimal maintenance, with some initial issues resolved through updates. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, reliable cleaner, the Roomba J7 is your go-to. But if you want a high-tech, multifunctional cleaning beast and don't mind spending a bit more, the Roborock Q Revo is worth every penny. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our smart buying tips. Comment below on which robot vacuum you'd pick, or if you think there's another contender we should compare. Until next time, stay smart and keep your floors cleaner than your conscience. Product links are in the description.